From the opening frames of the video, the Model X immediately sets itself apart. It's the contemporary luxury EV with imposing presence, sleek lines, a panoramic glass roof, and sculpted body panels that hint at both elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. Most distinctive are the Falcon Wing doors, double-hinged rear doors that pivot up and outward, offering not only style but functional ease of access. The reviewer demonstrates how these doors manage clearance using sensors and choreography that protect against garage collisions and adjacent obstacles. Technical wizardry that still astounds after nearly a decade of Model X production. The custom Falcon Edition configuration accentuates these details with unique badges, custom trim, and possibly bespoke color or wheel finishes, giving the car an even more exclusive attitude. Cabin innovation and interior atmosphere. Stepping inside, the video emphasizes a tranquil, tech-driven ambience. The futuristic cabin revolves around a 17-inch central touchscreen that's the nerve center for nearly all functions, from climate and navigation to suspension settings. Ambient lighting accentuates the mood, with customizable LED tones that sync with drive modes or music. Seating is configurable, 5, 6, or 7-seat layouts, and luggage space is ample with both a front trunk and cavernous rear cargo well, thanks to the flat battery floor. Materials lean minimalist, leather-like upholstery, metal trim, and a lack of traditional buttons, reinforcing the sleek yet arguably sparse feel noted by other reviewers. Rear seat occupants benefit from significant headroom, aided by the high-opening Falcon Wing doors, and some configurations include a rear touchscreen, ideal for entertainment during long drives. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, so to speak, the video highlights two performance flavors: the long-range dual-motor AWD and the flagship Plaid tri-motor. In dual-motor form, it delivers about 670 horsepower and a 060 mph sprint in the high 3-second territory, approximate 3.8 seconds. The Plaid model pushes that further with over 1,000 horsepower, achieving a staggering 0 to 60 in 2.5 SEC, supercar territory, yet packaged in a full-size SUV. Acceleration is smooth, instantaneous, and exhilarating, with the video showing passenger reactions ranging from awe to disbelief. Handling is improved thanks to air suspension and a low battery floor, giving it surprisingly flat cornering for its size, though critics often point out that steering feels light and lacks tactile feedback. Range and charging capabilities. Range details featured in the video align with EPA numbers. About 329 miles for the dual-motor build, and roughly 314 miles for the Plaid, with optional wheel packages slightly affecting those estimates. Charging is facilitated by Tesla's expansive supercharger network, supporting peak rates of up to 250 kilowatts, enabling rapid top-ups during road trips. The front trunk offers additional cargo space, and the battery's heavy mass contributes to stability and passive safety, even in high-side crashes. Technology and Autopilot. A strong focus of the video is Tesla's technological prowess. Autopilot comes standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automatic braking. Upselling full self-driving FSD adds features like auto steer on city streets, smart summon, and automated lane changes. The custom interior lighting and over-the-air updates, covering everything from driving dynamics to door mechanics, give the vehicle a living, upgrade-friendly character. On the downside, reviewers consistently note that FSD remains imperfect, capable yet prone to hesitations, erratic lane placement, and edge case discontinuities. Ownership experience and verdict. Towards the end, the video, echoing consumer voices and expert reviews, reflects on overall impressions. Owner reviewers on platforms like Edmunds praise its practicality, room for dogs, gear, the kids, long-distance comfort, and charging convenience. Yet they caution that interior materials sometimes fall below luxury benchmarks, infotainment controls monopolize comfort adjustments, and build quality remains uneven, qualities flagged by what car? And others. Ride comfort on bigger wheels can be firm, and although handling is competent, the Model X is more cruiser than corner carver. Still, for buyers craving a dramatic, tech-loaded EV with supercar acceleration and family-friendly versatility, the Falcon theatrics, ultra-fast speed, and Tesla ecosystem deliver a compelling package. Conclusion. In summary, this video review of the custom Model X Falcon Edition illuminates why the SUV remains a standout in Tesla's portfolio. It blends high-impact design, especially the Falcon Wing doors, blistering performance, even in full EV wagon form, and a bold tech-first interior. Range is strong, charging widespread, and the infotainment-led cabin feels both futuristic and polarizing. Downsides include mixed material quality, a too-big touchscreen interface, ride harshness on certain wheel setups, and Autopilot/FSD that still trails the promise. Yet, for a luxury EV that doubles as a daily driver, road trip cruiser, and attention magnet, few vehicles match the Model X's charisma.